Today on Did You Know, we're going to look at the fifth wheel Gooseneck prep package that is available in 3/4 ton and 1 ton Sierras and Silverados. Fifth wheel and gooseneck hitches have been a staple in the trailer hauling business for many years, but getting perfect rail alignment, easy installation, and having permanent rails in the bed of the box have all been common problems that drivers need to overcome. GM's fifth wheel and gooseneck prep kit is factory installed. It sits tight to the top of the frame and is welded rather than bolted in place. The precise measurements and drilling of the pickup box floor and hardware installation are done in the controlled factory environment. With no rails and flush fit caps, the truck bed can still be used for cargo. The Curt fifth wheel hitch, which is a separate part from the prep kit, can be installed quickly by just following these 4 simple steps. First, pull the caps out of the box floor. Second, open the 4 levers on the sides of the hitch. Third, drop the hitch in place. And last, close the 4 levers and lock the pins in place. Then hook up your trailer's electrical to the in-box 7-pin outlet and you're ready to go. Removing the hitch is just as easy. Pull the pins, open the levers, lift the hitch out, and replace the caps. Job done. A gooseneck is even easier. Remove the center cap and 2 of the side caps. Take the ball and chain hooks from the convenient storage case. Drop in the ball, lock in the chain hooks, and the job's done. Just remember to always pull out the ball and hooks after each trip. It prevents rust and makes pulling them out much easier. The Sierras and Silverados come with a wide variety of built-in camera and in-vehicle apps, but that's another video. Thank you for watching this video. If you're on our YouTube channel, I'd love it if you hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and the like button. I'd be happy if you just hit one, but you'll be my favorite person if you hit all 3. Thanks again for watching, and now you know.